हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ऑल मस्ट नो दैट what is writing. Basically, writing is a collection of many different words, like in the form of alphabets, in the form of sentences, or in the form of clauses and phrases. So before starting the perfection of the writing, we must know that what is the process of writing. Before understanding the process of writing, we must understand some different steps to start the process of writing. Why we need the process for writing skills? Because writing skills are utilized in the form of many different steps, like whenever you're writing an essay or a story. You can convert your ideas, your thoughts in the form of a reading or in a readable structure. So, in process of writing, there are some different steps. First of all, we will be talking about the 5 steps of writing. The first step of the writing is that you need to understand and assess the topic. In the second mode, what you need to do, you need to plan that what you are writing over there with your ideas and your thoughts. So second step is the planning. If we are talking about the third step is the main step, that is the pre-writing. In pre-writing, you guys are doing the 2 things. Number 1 is mind mapping and number 2 is clustering. What is the difference between mind mapping and the clustering? Whenever you are doing the mind mapping, you're just putting your thoughts and ideas together collectively. But whenever you're clustering, you're just organizing that thoughts and ideas. Like if we are taking an example in the form of shapes, mind mapping means your thoughts in the different forms. If you're talking about the clustering in the organized way, your topic and then your bullet points over there. Number 4th point is your drafting. Whenever you're writing, after pre-writing, you need to draft your writing. And the final is the proofreading, that how you have done your writing. These are the 5 main steps of the process of writing. After that, today we will talk about the main agenda, that is the essay writing. The essay writing. Now, what is the main process of essay writing? Whenever we are writing an essay, till our previous levels, we are just thinking that we have a topic and we just need to write a paragraph on it. But no, this is the wrong way that we are doing. There are some steps for writing an essay. And those steps are known as the precis writing. In the precis writing, you need 3 things. Number 1, your hook, your body paragraph, and number 3rd thing is your conclusion. Whenever you're starting your essay, after doing these all process of writing, these are your just rough draft. And whenever you're finalizing your essay, you need to start your hook. What is a hook? Meanwhile, whenever you are starting your essay writing, you need to do 2 things. You need to make your essay writing interesting. Meanwhile, you are writing an informal essay. In the formal essay, you need to put a quotation over here or any statement that focus your essay or your main idea in the essay. If we are talking about the body paragraph, in the body paragraph, you need to add 3 things. Your topic of the paragraph, topic statement, your thesis, and your main points. In main points, there is one more subtopic, that is your supporting details. Let's take one example. If we're talking about the climate change, this is our essay topic. We need to start with the quotation because this is the formal topic we know. In the quotation, I can write over here any statement like the earth is getting hotter day by day. This is just a rough statement that focuses on the topic, that what is the main topic of the essay writing. In body paragraph, you need to start like this is not the necessary, this topic is the optional part if you have done this one in your hook statement. But after that, in your thesis, in your main point and supporting detail, in main point you just start the agenda, like you can talk about the SDGs goals. This is the first paragraph's main point, and in supporting detail you can write the supporting detail of this, like achieving it 2030. Like this is your main point and this is your supporting detail of the essay. After that, in body paragraph, meanwhile you're writing any formal essay writing, you need to include 3 to 4 body paragraphs. And in formal writing, you are not required to write any topic on the top. You just need to start with your main point and supporting detail, and then again main point 2, and then its supporting detail, and then main point 3, and then its supporting detail. Finally, in conclusion, you need to summarize your essay. But sometimes what we do, we forgot to summarize our hook, in which the quotation and statement includes. We just do the summarization of our body paragraph and we are just not focusing on the supporting details. Meanwhile, in conclusion, the necessary things that you have to summarize your supporting details in the form of conclusion. And in conclusion, whenever you are writing the last line, you also need to end with the quotation or a statement that you have started in the hook, but not as a similar form as you have starting in the start, but you have to make it differently. Like in starting, I have started the earth is getting hotter day by day. This is just a rough statement. In conclusion, I will be writing over here like achieving all the goals and making future a thrivable platform to live in. Yeah, this is a simple way how you can start your essay with the process of writing. Then there are a few steps of drafting. Then you're coming on the main point, your formal essay, in which you're starting your hook, body paragraph, and conclusion. I hope you understand the process of writing. Thank you.